And now we head into the second half of the show. St. Catherine, give it up for Jose Marti with Jesus Promise.
Seems to me like the church doors just opening up. Well, thank you so much, Jose Marti. That was so delightful. Musically, the balance, contrast, you got it all. The harmony was good. And also, the thing about gospel music, it has an additional element beside the music. It has to minister to the people who are listening. And that's what you did. Thank you.
Jose Marti, I'm finally ready to give an offering now.
Yes to the lead singer, yes to the people around the back, no to the band. It was beautiful. It came together very, very, very nicely. Good job.
If that was a promising performance from Jose Marti, then call or text VOTE to 444-8806.